Yun hindi makita eh, no?
Oo.
Ano kailangan ko dun, LED?
Okay. Lagyan natin sa auto. Okay. Tapos, throttle. Throttle lang. Then, throttle down. Mag-isa na yan.
Wow! That's it!
20 meters.
20 meters, go to waypoint 1.
Okay. 5 seconds stop. Waypoint 2 na yan.
Go to waypoint 3.
Waypoint 1 yun.
Waypoint 1 yan, oh.
Waypoint 3 dyan. Straight. Stop.
Wow!
5 seconds ulit.
Galing pare ha. Look man, no hands. Okay.
Waypoint 4. Stop. 5 seconds.
Teka, hindi ko na makuli.
Babalik, palalapit naman na yan eh.
5 seconds stop.
Then waypoint 5. Stop. Then return to home.
Galing ah. It's working. Waypoint.
Return to home. Kung saan tayo nag-take off kanina.
Okay.
Then,
So bababa siya kusa.
bababa kusa yan.
Nak ng teting. Teka muna, mukhang sa ulo natin maglalanding. Pare, as simple as that.